I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook royal trumpet mushrooms. First, let's talk about selection and preparation. Look for mushrooms that are firm to the touch and free from any soft spots or blemishes. To clean them, avoid rinsing with water as they can absorb too much moisture. Instead, use a dry cloth or a soft brush to gently remove any dirt. Finally, trim just the very end of the stem if it feels dry or woody, preparing them perfectly for cooking. Now, let's get them ready for the pan. Slice your royal trumpet mushrooms lengthwise into pieces about 1/4 inch thick. This maximizes their surface area for a beautiful sear. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Place the mushroom slices in a single layer, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Sear them for 3 to 4 minutes per side, allowing them to develop a rich, golden brown crust. Once seared, it's time to infuse them with incredible flavor. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 sprig of fresh thyme to the pan, cooking for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, deglaze the pan with 1/4 cup of white wine or vegetable broth, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom. Allow the liquid to reduce slightly. Finally, season your mushrooms generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, enhancing their natural earthy notes. Your perfectly cooked royal trumpet mushrooms are now ready to enjoy. These versatile fungi make an excellent side dish, offering a satisfying, meaty texture. You can also incorporate them into a variety of main courses, such as creamy pasta dishes, rich risottos, or vibrant stir-fries. They pair wonderfully with roasted meats, poultry, or even as a hearty addition to plant-based meals. Their unique flavor and texture will elevate any dish you choose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.